Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove notification virus like tabula ads or other like that things from your Emporia Smart 5. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar, or just the spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, or just on your home screen, that means you have a notification software, and we can try remove it by two ways, by the system settings and by the antivirus app. So I'm going to show you the first method by the settings. Now we have to go to the apps and notification, then go to the CL apps and check all the apps on this list to check that you have any unwanted app, just something strange. If you see something like that, just tap on it and click on install. After that, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Then go to the storage and cache and tap on the clear storage. Now choose clear all data and click OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software, but if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. I'm always using Avast. You can also try to download any other app. So in Avast we have to tap on the get started, next and skip. Now we have to close to ads, I think. Yes, the first one and the second one. Now tap on the continuous free and choose start scan. Now you have to allow a permission. And that's it. After the scanning process, all the viruses and malwares should be deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.